In this Anny review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this trading platform. Anny is a trading platform that helps traders and investors succeed without having to spend endless hours staring at charts or watching YouTube videos. Once you log into Anny, you are greeted by the dashboard. There you can connect your favourite exchange, that can be Binance, Coinbase or similar. As we scroll down, we can see on the left hand side menu, the first section we have is bots. So if we go ahead and click on create your first bot, we have three options for what our bot should do. So we have notify, invest or distribute. Notify bots monitor market conditions for a list of coins. So if we go on notify first, and as we can see it asks which intelligence engine your bot should use, Anny algorithms or TradingView alerts, we'll go ahead and use Anny algorithms. And if we just click next there, so straight away it asks us to compose our portfolios. We can set the currency from either Bitcoin or Theta, and we can set it from spot to futures. Here we can actually search for a crypto, or we can select them from the top 50 market cap. So I can add Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and Polkadot. Once you've selected your portfolio, if you just go to next, so here is where we can create our strategy and we can add different indicators to compose our strategy. So I'm going to add ADX and cross inside candle. We can customize these, so we can customize the candle, the tolerance, the condition and the condition value. Once you're happy there, if you click on next, this lets us review our strategy before we launch it. We can set the fire times to limited and select an amount, or we can set it to unlimited. Right at the bottom, we can also name our bot, and when you're ready, you just click on launch. As we can see on the bot section, our first bot appears there. If, say, we wanted to create an investment bot, we can click on invest. This will invest automatically for us, or you can revise it and make an entry with one click. Again, I'm going to go on Anny algorithms and click on next. Here we can select our crypto portfolio, select our indicators for the strategy, customize them to how we would like them, and then here we can set the auto invest. So we can define the investment allocation. So this is the amount that can be distributed across active positions. We also have the position size calculation. We can set this at a fixed risk or a fixed investment. This is obviously the amount to invest on a trade. So I'm going to set that to 5.5%. The risk limit, this automatically goes to no limit, but you can define risk limit. So you can set your max loss at a percentage, and entry method. We can set that from automatic or one click. Auto stop is also automatically on. You do have the option to turn that off. Trailing take profit is off, but you can turn that on. And take profit as well is automatically on, but you can turn that on or off. For all these options, there is the option to configure them as well. So you can set your max loss and stop limit margin. On trailing take profit, you can set the start at profit target or the distance. And on take profit, you can obviously set the target profit. Once we're happy there, if we click on next, here we can review our strategy, select the fire times and name the bot. And when we're happy there, we click launch. Below bots, we have signal groups. We just click on there. And we have the option here to connect with a signal group. Here we can select from trade managers, signal groups, or copy trading. If we wanted to select a signal group, you just click our desired one and click on connect. As we can see in signal groups, our selected signal group has showed up here. We have the options to invite members or automation. If we click on automation, we can set our social trading. We can select the notification for take profit or the execution, same with trailing take profit, and rebuy DCA. We can also turn auto invest on, turn auto stop on or off, trailing take profit on and off, and take profit on or off. Below signal groups is trade managers. We click on there. We automatically have Anny Pro Traders, Futures, and Anny Pro Traders Spot. Can also connect another trade manager, which takes us over to the section we were at before, where we can just select our desired trade manager. So if we wanted to go for bull signal futures, we can just click on connect, and click subscribe. Below trade managers is copy trading. Again, you would click on connect, and here we can select our desired pro trader and click on follow. There is also the option to allow your trades to be copied. At the top hand bar next to dashboard, we have trades. If we click on there, this will show us our performance of the last 10 days. If we click on the arrow, that will change it to a month, last month, and so on. Below there, it will show us our active positions and our closed positions. Next to my trades is one click buy, and that will show us our one click buys. Next to trades is analytics. Here we do have the option by filtering the items by typing in the search box. We can also change it to a custom amount or last 10 days, last 30 days, this week, this month, or last month, and also set it from all quote assets, Bitcoin, USDT, or USD. Next to analytics is marketplace. We click on there. And here, as we saw before, this is where it's got all the trade managers, signal groups, or pro traders. We also have the option for new trade. If we click on there, here we can add a target, set our market range, entry minimum or entry maximum, and set a stop loss. There is also the option for automation, where we can enable a auto stop, trail and take profits, or take profit. There is a spot and a futures option. Finally, next to new trade, we do have a night mode, and next to the night mode, we have notifications. So what do I think of Anny? I think Anny is a very exciting trading platform, and it definitely makes crypto investing easier to do. It was really simple to create bots, and there was lots of options to edit the specifications. I also like how you can copy trades from pro traders. So would I recommend Anny? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.